Good morning. Today, as we take deep conscious breaths and remember, the invitation is very clearly smile. Smile as you take a deep breath in, and smile as you release. Notice what it feels like to smile and breathe in, and smile as you breathe out. And even if initially it felt like a forced smile, if you notice over the course of conscious breathing, it becomes very authentic as there is a joy in remembering the gift of life, the breath of life. So, again, as you're smiling, breathing in, allowing your breath to go all the way down, rooted, the breath will take you to the taproot, the beginning of you here now. So follow that taproot with your breath all the way down to the center of the center of the center of the earth. This beautiful sphere that is a living and breathing energy, vibration, color, that is the ether to all the sacred elements. So, as we remembered last time, there is this beautiful interconnectedness that all trees have underground. All the organisms and the roots work together as one, and they're all connected. So today we're going to bring another visual that is also the same as the roots of a tree and you. Just like all the roots of one single tree are connected to everything else around it close by, and everything else is connected and everything else connected. So all things are connected, just like all rivers make its way to the ocean. The tiniest of little streams, the littlest of trickles, all find its way magnetized to the ocean. All the waters are all connected. We also know deep within the earth there's water. It's all connected. The air we breathe, all connected. So for a moment, imagine that river, that creek, even that little trickle. And again, let your mind's eye see it all being connected, making its way. But we want you to pause for a moment and imagine the creek, the river, the stream, the fresh water being part of the upper stream of the infinity. And what happens when it crosses over? You call it brackish waters, estuaries, where the fresh and the salt water meet. It must occur, it must happen, but there's more mystical and practical reasons for this mixture. But for a moment, be in that estuary, feel it in your body, the fresh and the salt water meeting. This is where the infinity crosses. This is the center of what seems to be the figure eight. This is the energy sharing. This is the breath coming in the body, mixing and going out. This is the tree roots bringing in all the nourishment from the earth up through the trunk before it goes out into the branches and the leaves and the needles. The trunk, the estuary, your body, the wisdom coming together, the experiences mixing in and going back out into the ocean. The upper, we can say for now, the upper knowingness or the lower knowingness. It's all the same. And then we know the ocean is so vast and so big, similar to the roots of the nourishment and all of the energy and literal minerals from the roots of the earth, how it gets pulled up through the bark, through the roots, through the center of the tree. The water in the ocean is pulled up into the air, brings moisture. And we know it mixes and then at times rains down and fills the creeks, rivers, brings more energy to the streams. For a moment, just remember what is happening out there is happening inside of you. You are it, and it is you. So, very similar to the tree, as it brings nourishment to the leaves, and then eventually leaves let go and bring the nourishment back to the earth. This is what occurs in the ocean as it lifts the water, and then again bringing life back down. For a moment, just breathe it in. That as mystical as this is for the trees and the waters on your planet, you are it, and it is you. You are one and the same. So, again, we invite you to smile, breathe in this memory, allow the knowingness of the sacred systems of your planet recognize itself in you. We know it is so, and so it is.